Orange juice. Orange juice is the king of breakfast drinks in America and the UK, but it became popular because Florida farmers once had huge amounts of oranges that spoiled quickly. Companies started turning them into juice and marketing it as the perfect breakfast drink. Fresh orange juice has a bright golden orange color and a sweet yet sharp smell. Some versions are smooth while others contain thick pulp that people either love or hate. It became strongly connected to breakfast culture, especially with toast, pancakes, and eggs. The flavor can range from sweet to tangy depending on the type of orange used. A surprising fact is that many supermarket orange juices are stored for months before reaching stores, and companies later add flavor packs to restore the taste. Orange juice became one of the biggest symbols of modern breakfast culture around the world. Apple juice. Apple juice has one of the oldest histories of any fruit drink. People in Europe were crushing apples into juice hundreds of years ago, and in the UK, apples became deeply connected to countryside farms and traditions. Apple juice is usually pale yellow or golden, and often looks crystal clear. Its smooth sweetness makes it easy for children to drink, which helped it become one of the most common lunchbox drinks in the USA and UK. Some versions taste naturally fresh, while others taste extremely sugary. One strange fact is that many commercial apple juices are made using apples that are too ugly to sell in supermarkets. Another surprising detail is that cloudy apple juice actually contains more natural compounds than clear filtered juice. Apple juice matters because it shows how industries transform imperfect fruit into one of the world's most loved drinks. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice has one of the strongest flavors in the juice world. Cranberries are native to North America and were used by Native American communities long before supermarkets existed. The juice has a deep ruby red color and an intensely sour flavor. Pure cranberry juice is so tart that many people can barely drink it without sugar, which is why most store versions are mixed with other juices. Cranberry farming is also fascinating because the berries grow in flooded bogs that look like giant floating oceans of red during harvest season. Cranberry juice became famous partly because many people believed it could help prevent urinary tract infections. However, many commercial cranberry drinks contain huge amounts of sugar. Cranberry juice is important because it combines farming, medicine, and marketing into one powerful product: grape juice. Grape juice has a surprising connection to religion and history. In the late 1800s, an American dentist named Thomas Welch created pasteurized grape juice as a non-alcoholic alternative to wine for church use. Most grape juice comes in dark purple or deep red colors. It has a thick texture and concentrated sweetness that can feel like drinking an entire bunch of grapes in one sip. Dark grape juice became popular in health discussions because it contains antioxidants similar to red wine. But the shocking part is that many grape juices also contain extremely high sugar levels, sometimes nearly as much as soda. Grape juice matters because it sits in the strange middle ground between health drink and sugary treat. Pineapple juice. Pineapple juice tastes tropical today, but pineapples were once considered luxury items in Europe. Modern pineapple juice is bright yellow with a strong tropical aroma. Its sweet and sharp flavor balance makes it refreshing yet slightly acidic at the same time. The strangest thing about pineapple juice is the enzyme called bromelain, which breaks down proteins. This enzyme is so powerful that pineapple juice can tenderize meat and even create a tingling sensation on your tongue while drinking it. Some people also believe pineapple changes the flavor of other foods when mixed together. Pineapple juice matters because it's one of the few drinks that physically interacts with your body during consumption. Tomato juice. Tomato juice confuses many people because it feels more like soup than juice, yet it became extremely popular in the USA and UK through airplanes and cocktail culture. Tomato juice has a thick red appearance and a savory flavor instead of sweetness. One reason it became famous on airplanes is because scientists discovered that loud airplane noise weakens sweet flavors but strengthens savory tastes. That's why many passengers enjoy tomato juice more in the air than at home. Tomato juice also became legendary through Bloody Mary cocktails. However, many tomato juices contain extremely high sodium levels. Tomato juice matters because it proves human taste can completely change depending on the environment. Mango juice. Mango juice became hugely popular in the UK because of South Asian communities bringing mango culture with them. Today, mango drinks are found everywhere from supermarkets to restaurants across Britain. Mango juice is thick, bright orange-yellow, and often feels more like a smoothie than a normal juice. Its creamy sweetness makes it taste almost like a dessert. Different mango varieties create completely different flavors, with some tasting floral and others almost like honey. But many commercial mango juices contain surprisingly little real mango and rely heavily on sugar and artificial flavoring. Mango juice matters because it shows how migration and culture can reshape food trends in different countries. Lemon juice. Lemon juice may be the sharpest and most intense drink on this list. For centuries, sailors carried lemons on ships because vitamin C helped prevent scurvy, a deadly disease caused by nutrient deficiency. Fresh lemon juice looks pale yellow and smells incredibly fresh, but its acidity is so powerful that drinking it straight can feel painful. That's why lemonade became so popular in both the USA and UK. American lemonade is usually sweeter and smoother, while British lemonade is often fizzy like soda. One surprising danger is that pure lemon juice can slowly damage tooth enamel if consumed too often. Lemon juice matters because it shows how humans transformed one of nature's sourest fruits into a global drink culture.